हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बायोलॉजी विद मी। जैसे कि हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेटेजी वीडियो में बोला था कि हम लोग एवरीडे विल बी कवरिंग वन प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर। सो आज हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं पेपर ऑफ नीट 2023, मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बॉटनी। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द phenomena of pleiotropism refers to, so what is pleiotropism? It is a single gene affecting multiple phenotypic expression, a single gene that affects multiple phenotypic expression. Okay, and ये जो क्वेश्चन था, this was asked from chapter principles of inheritance and variation. The second question, in tissue culture experiments, leaf mesophyll cells are put in a culture medium to form a callus. This phenomenon may be called as. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, mesophyll cells जो है उसको हम लोगों ने कल्चर मीडियम में डाला, इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, that cell starts dividing again. So that process is known as de-differentiation, and this is from plant growth and development. The next question, movement and accumulation of ions across a membrane against their concentration gradient can be explained by. So against concentration gradient, it is only seen in active transport. It is from transport in plants, जो कि अब डिलीट हो चुका है। जो चैप्टर्स के नाम मैं ब्लू में लिख रहा हूं, that is present in your syllabus, whereas the red color chapters, these are deleted ones, or the part from that chapter is deleted. Among the abelian quartet, which one is considered the most important cause during extinction of species? It was habitat loss and fragmentation, and this is in chapter biodiversity and conservation. उसके बाद, upon exposure to UV radiation, DNA stained with ethidium bromide will show, it will show bright orange color. Okay, and this we have studied in molecular basis of inheritance. उसके बाद, given below are two statement, one labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason. So assertion is the first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. And what is the reason? Protonema develops directly from the spores produced in the capsule. अब देखो, assertion भी correct है, reason भी correct है, and this reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So correct answer will be option last. Both assertion and reason are correct. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This is from plant kingdom. Okay. Seventh question, what is the role of RNA polymerase 3 in the process of transcription in eukaryotes? So what will it do? It will lead to transcription of tRNA, 5s rRNA and snRNA. Okay, so transcription तीन चीजों का करेगा, tRNA, 5s rRNA and snRNA. Okay, and this is from chapter molecular basis of inheritance. 108, the historical convention on biological diversity, that is the Earth Summit, was held in Rio de Janeiro. In which year? Years are very important, so it was held in year 1992. This is from chapter biodiversity and conservation. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion and another is labeled as reason. Again, assertion, reason. What is assertion? ATP is used in two steps in glycolysis, and reason is first ATP is used in converting glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, and second ATP is used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate into fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Okay, ये भी सही statement है, ये भी correct है, and this is the correct explanation of assertion. So answer will be option last. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This is from the chapter respiration in plants. The thickness of ozone in column of air in the atmosphere is measured in the terms of, so it is measured in terms of Dobson units. We have already, it's a direct NCERT line, and it was present in environmental issues वाला chapter जो कि अब delete हो चुका है. Next question number 111. Given below are two statements, statement 1, statement 2. Okay, what is statement 1? Endarch and exarch, the terms often used for describing the position of secondary xylem in the plant body. While what is exarch? Exarch condition is the most common feature of the root system. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So we need to choose which one is correct and which one is false. So look here, statement 1 is incorrect, whereas statement 2 is correct. Okay, exarch condition is the most common feature of the root system, while statement 1 is incorrect. Okay, and this is from the chapter anatomy of flowering plants. Question number 112, identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophytes among the following. So which two are heterosporous pteridophytes? They are Selaginella and Salvinia, and it is from the chapter plant kingdom. उसके बाद question number 113, identify the correct statement. Statement number A, detrivores perform fragmentation. Statement number B, the humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization. ओके, सो अपन लोगों को क्या करना है, इनमें से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स जो है वो ढूंढने हैं. सो इधर देखो, detrivores perform fragmentation, करेक्ट है. Humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization, yes, it is also correct. Water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by a process called as leaching, this is also correct. The detritus food chain begins with living organism, nahi, it begins with the dead organism. Earthworm break down detritus into smaller particles by a process known as catabolism, nahi, this is fragmentation. So which three statements are correct? It is A, B and C. So answer will be option D. This is from ecosystem. Okay, उसके बाद एक्साइल प्लेसेंटेशन ऑब्जर्व्ड इन, ये डायरेक्ट एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन है, मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स से. ओके, सो इट इज प्रेजेंट इन चाइना रोज, पिचूनिया एंड लेमन. ओके उसके बाद फैमिली फबेसी फ्रॉम सोलानेसी एंड लिलिएसी, sorry, family Fabaceae differs from Solanaceae and Liliaceae with respect to stamen. Pick out the characteristics specific to family Fabaceae but not found in Solanaceae and Liliaceae. मतलब जो Fabaceae से related है but not found in Solanaceae and Liliaceae. What is it? That it has diadelphous condition and dithecous anthers. Anthers are diadelphous and there are two theca, so it is known as dithecous. So answer will be option last. It is from Morphology of Flowering Plants. The reaction center in PS2 has absorption maxima at, देखो PS2 है, so it has 680, whereas PS1 it has at 700 nanometer. PS2 it is 680 nanometer. याद रखो, this is from photosynthesis. Okay, 117. During the purification process of recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitates out. What does it precipitate? It will precipitate out DNA. It is from biotech. Okay, among eukaryotes replication of DNA takes place in. अब replication किस में होगा, कहाँ पे होगा? Okay, और which phase में होगा? It occurs at S phase, है ना? N का 2N हुआ था. Okay, the number of chromosome does not change, just the quantity of DNA changes. Okay, so it is from cell cycle. Next 119, the process of appearance of recombination nodules. Recombination nodules which phase? Okay, कौन से substage पे होगा prophase 1 के? So it occurs at Pachstein. Okay, it occurs at Pachstein. It's from cell cycle. How many ATP, how many NADPH2 are required for the synthesis of one molecule of glucose during Calvin cycle? बहुत basic question है. Okay, 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2. देखो 1 CO2 को कितना लगेगा? 3 ATP लगेगा and 2 NADPH2 लगेगा. ओके, सो 1 ग्लूकोज में कितने कार्बन है? 6 कार्बन. 6 कार्बन से 6 CO2 एंड 6 CO2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 करो, इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 करो, यू आर गेटिंग 18 ATP एंड 12 NADPH2. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. दिस इज फ्रॉम फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 121. इन द इक्वेशन GPP minus R is equal to NPP. GPP is gross primary productivity, NPP is net primary productivity, R is your respiratory loss. It is from ecosystem. Question number 122. Large colorful fragrant flowers with a nectar are seen in. Okay, large है, colorful है, fragrant है. These are the characteristics present to attract the insect. So it is present in insect pollinated flowers. This is from reproduction flowering plants. Question number 123. Spraying of which of the following phytohormone on juvenile conifers, okay, helps in hastening the maturity period. मतलब जो juvenile conifers है, जो young conifers है, उनको mature करना है अपन लोगों को. So which of the following phytohormone अपन लोग spray करेंगे? So it is gibberellic acid. Okay, so plant growth and development से question है, and this is again very basic. Question number 124. Which micronutrient is used for splitting of water molecule during photosynthesis? Okay, so this occurs by process of manganese. Again direct NCERT से question आया है, ठीक है. And next, this is also question of photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis में भी ये question और ये statement है. Okay, and it is also from mineral nutrition. मतलब दो chapters को मिला के question बनाया गया है. Okay, next question 125. Express sequence tags refers to. So what are express sequence tags? These are all the genes that are expressed as RNA. Okay, this is from molecular basis of inheritance. याद रखो. Question number 126. Frequency of recombination between gene pairs on same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes to map their position on chromosome was first time used by. Basically उन्होंने पूछा है कि genetic mapping किसने करी थी? So it was done by Alfred Stewart. Okay, so it is from chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Okay, directly NCERT से क्वेश्चन है. देखो अब तक एक भी बाहर का क्वेश्चन नहीं आया है. Okay, question number 127. Given below two statement, again statement 1, 2, correct, incorrect, यही क्वेश्चन है. So let us see what is statement 1. The forces generated transpiration can lift a xylem sized column of water over 130 meters height. And what is statement 2? Transpiration cools the leaf surface up to 10 to 15 degrees, evaporating cooling. Correct है. Statement 1 भी correct है, statement 2 भी correct है. So answer is option D. वो statement 1 and 2 are correct. This is from transport in plants. In gene gun method used to introduce alien DNA into the host cell, microparticles कौन किस चीज के microparticles use करेंगे? We are going to use of tungsten or gold. ये भी directly NCERT में line है, tungsten or gold. It's of the chapter biotech से है क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. Then question number 129. Given below two statements. One is labeled as assertion. Again reason, assertion reason के question. Assertion क्या है? Late wood has fewer xylary elements with narrow vessels. Okay, and reason क्या है? Cambium is less active in winters. Okay, इसीलिए जो है vessel जो है वो narrow है, इसलिए option D. Both assertion reason are correct and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. It is from anatomy of flowering plants. This part is being deleted in reduced syllabus, but question आने के chances है. In reduced deleted chapter से आएंगे ना एक दो क्वेश्चन, सो याद रखो. What is the function of tassels in the corn cob? So it acts as your style and stigma. Okay, it acts as your stigma and style, and it what does it do? It traps the pollen grains. Okay, so reproduction flowering plants है. Okay, in angiosperms the haploid, diploid and triploid structures of fertilized embryo sac sequentially are. So sequentially क्या क्या है? Haploid, diploid and triploid. So synergids है, zygote है and primary endosperm nucleus. ये triploid है, 3n है, zygote is 2n, synergid is n. Okay, so this is the question from reproduction flowering plants. देखो ये basic था. Okay, it's basic. Question number 132. Which hormone promotes internode elongation in deep water rice? देखो rice plants का अपन लोगों ने एक एग्जांपल दिखा था, and that was ethylene. Okay, it helps in elongation of internode. Okay, and that is from plant growth and development. Phytohormone से है. Which of the following stage of meiosis involves division of centromere? Centromere किस stage में divide हो रहा है? So it divides in anaphase 2. Okay, centromere का division है. Unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material was first time proposed by Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. हम लोग Hershey and Chase experiment हम लोग ने देखा था. Okay, so it was proved by Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. It is from the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Question number 135. Cellulose does not form blue color with iodine because it does not contain complex helicals and hence cannot hold iodine molecules. It is from chapter Biomolecules. Again, direct question from your NCERT. Now let us see section B. Match list 1 with list 2. Okay, so अब देखो oxidative decarboxylation का क्या आएगा? It is pyruvate dehydrogenase. Glycolysis is it has EMP pathway. Glycolysis किस में देगा? EMP pathway से. Oxidative phosphorylation, okay, electron transport system. And tricarboxylic acid cycle कौन सा है? It is citrate synthase. Okay, so answer will be option C. This is from chapter respiration in plants. Okay. Next question number 137. Which of the following combination is required for chemiosmosis? Okay, again respiration plant से question है. So क्या क्या लगेगा? Membrane लगेगा, proton pump लगेगा, proton gradient लगेगा, and lastly what do we need? ATP synthase enzyme. Okay. 138. Melonate inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria by inhibiting the activity of. देखो competitive inhibition है, biomolecules का question है. So succinate dehydrogenase is the enzyme. Succinic acid and malonic acid इनके बीच में competition होगा for the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase और succinic dehydrogenase. Given below are two statements. Again assertion reason question. Assertion क्या है? देखो in gymnosperms pollen grains are released from the microsporangium and are carried by air currents. Okay, correct है. Air currents carry the pollen grains to the mouth of the archegonia where the male gametes are discharged and pollen tube is not formed. क्यों नहीं form होगा? बिल्कुल form होगा. So assertion is true, reason is false, option is answer is option second. It is from reproduction flowering plants. Question number 140. Main steps in the formation of recombinant DNA are given below. Arrange the steps in the correct sequence. Okay. So सबसे पहले क्या होगा? Cutting of DNA at specific location. उसके बाद क्या होगी? Isolation of desired DNA fragment. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Amplify करेंगे उस gene को जो अपने interest का है. उसके बाद finally what we will do? Insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. Okay. So these are the sequential steps. Biotech chapter से है and this is again basic question. उसके बाद question number 141. Match list 1 with 2. Okay, match the pair है. Cohesion, what is cohesion? It is mutual attraction. What is adhesion? Adhesion is attraction towards the polar surfaces. Then what is surface tension? It is more attraction in liquid phase. What is guttation? Water loss in liquid phase. Okay, so answer is option D. Question number 142. Which of the following statement is not correct? पूछा है. देखो not correct. Okay, so what is the first statement? Algal blooms caused by excess of organic matter in water improve water quality. नहीं भाई, they reduce water quality and promote fisheries. नहीं, they cause death of fishes. देखो पहले ही मिल गया which is not correct. Okay, so बाकी के statement जो है वो correct है. So which of the following statement is not correct पूछा है. So answer is option. It is from ecosystem. Then 143. How many different proteins does the ribosome consist of? It consists of 80 different proteins. Okay, then next question number 144. Match list 1 with 2. Okay, so ये जो प्लस माइनस का है, okay, it is directly NCERT में टेबल है, so इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन ए. मैच कर लो. Question number 145. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion. Again assertion reason question. Assertion क्या है? Okay, a flower is defined as modified shoot. Correct है, modified shoot है. Where shoot apical meristem जो है वो change होगा to floral meristem. Assertion तो बिल्कुल ट्रू है. Reason, internode of the shoot gets condensed to produce different floral appendages laterally at successive node instead of leaves. है ना, leaves की जगह flower के appendages आ रहे हैं. So assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is option last. This is from Morphology of Flowering Plants. Question number 146. Identify the correct statements. Okay, so हम लोगों ने देखना है कि कौन कौन से statements correct है. Lenticels are the lens-shaped openings permitting the exchange of gases. सही है बिल्कुल. Bark formed early in the season is called hard bark. नहीं. Bark is a technical term that refers to all tissues exterior to vascular cambium. नहीं. Bark refers to peridome and secondary phloem. Yes, this is true. Phallogen is single layered. नहीं, this is not single layered. So answer is option A. Only A and D statements are correct. बाकी के सारे जो है वो wrong है. This is from end of flowering plants. लेकिन ये जो secondary development मतलब जो cork वगैरह है ना, वो सब तुम्हारे syllabus से reduce हो चुका है. ठीक है. Question number 147. Given below two statement again statement 1, statement 2. You need to check which is true, which is false. Okay. So statement 1. Gauss competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for the same resources cannot coexist indefinitely and competitively inferior one will be eliminated eventually. हाँ बिल्कुल सही है ना, जो competitively inferior है वो eliminate हो जाएगा. Statement 2. In general, carnivores are more adversely affected by competition than the herbivores. नहीं, herbivores are more affected than the carnivores. Okay, so statement is option second. Statement 1 is correct, whereas statement 2 जो है वो false है. This is from organism and population. Question number 148. Which of the following statement are correct about Klinefelter syndrome? Okay, X, X, Y. है ना, Klinefelter syndrome. This is from chapter Principles of Inheritance Variation. Let us see which of the following statements are correct. Okay, so this disorder first described by Langdon Down. नहीं, वो Down syndrome था. Option B, statement B. Such an individual has overall masculine development, however, the feminine development is also expressed. जी बिल्कुल है ना. The affected individual is short statured. नहीं, this is not the correct of this. Physical and psychomotor and mental development is retarded. नहीं, ये भी Down syndrome का है. Such individuals are sterile. Yes, they are sterile. So answer is option second. Okay, B and E are correct. This and this, these two are correct. बाकी के सारे जो है वो wrong है. बाकी nearly Down syndrome denote कर रहा है. बाकी ये जो दो statements है B and E, these two denote your Klinefelter syndrome. And this is from Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Okay. Question number 149. Match list with list 2. अब again cell cycle से question है. Okay. So M phase में क्या हो रहा है? Let us see what happens in M phase. M phase shows equational division. Okay. G2 phase में क्या हो रहा है? Proteins are synthesized in G2 phase. Quiescent stage. देखो what is quiescent stage? It is your inactive phase. G0 phase बोलते हैं, फिर G0 phase बोलते हैं. And what is G1 phase? It is interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. देखो ये सारी चीजें जो है NCERT की direct lines है. You just need to read NCERT thoroughly. Next question number 150. Match list 1 with list 2. Okay. Again this is from Mineral Nutrition. Okay. And देखो क्या क्या है? What does iron do? Okay. Iron is responsible for activator of catalase. Okay, iron is activator of catalase. उसके बाद zinc is synthesis of oxygen. Boron cell elongation and differentiation, whereas molybdenum is component of nitrate reductase. Okay, so answer is option second. बस एक बार याद पढ़ लो ये सारी चीजें एंड इस PYQ को याद रख लो, बाकी तो डिलीटेड सिलेबस. ओके, उसके बाद दिस कंप्लीट्स विद कंप्लीट बॉटनी एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द जूलॉजी. ओके, नाउ zoology का section है. Question number 151. Given below two statements again statement 1, statement 2. Now let us see which of the statement is correct, which of the statement is wrong. In prokaryotes, positively charged DNA is held with some negatively charged proteins in a region called as nucleoid. नहीं, this is wrong. Statement 2. In eukaryotes, the negatively charged DNA is wrapped around positively charged histone proteins. Yes, बिल्कुल, to form a nucleosome. So statement 1 is incorrect, where statement 2 is correct. Okay, so this is from molecular basis of inheritance. Question number 152. Which of the following blood corpuscle the HIV undergoes replication and produces progeny virus? देखो HIV सबसे पहले T helper cells को affect कर रहा है, so it affects TH cells, that is T helper cells or helper T cells. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? देखो let us see which of the following statement is correct. Biomagnification refers to increasing concentration of the toxicant at the successive trophic levels. देखो भाई statement 1 तो correct है, उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? Correct statement पूछा है, so answer is option A. This is from ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem का deleted part. Okay, so question number 154. Again match the pair. Okay, this is completely based on ECG. Okay, ECG, electrocardiograph or electrocardiogram. So P wave, what does P wave represent? P wave is depolarization of atria. Q wave, it is your beginning of systole. QRS complex is depolarization of ventricles, and T wave represents your repolarization of ventricles. Okay, so answer is option last. ठीक है, this is from body fluids and circulation. Next, question number 155. Broad palm with single palm crease is visible in person suffering from, it is Down's syndrome. जो हम लोगों ने Klinefelter syndrome ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में जो हम लोगों ने देखा था ना, Langdon Down and वो सब, and this is feature of Down's syndrome. This is again from chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. उसके बाद question number 156. Given below two statements, again statement 1, statement 2, उन दोनों में से कौन सा ट्रू है कौन सा फॉल्स है देखना. RNA mutates at a faster rate. Yes, RNA mutates at a faster rate. Viruses have RNA genome and shorter lifespan, mutate and evolve faster. है ना, इसीलिए तो वायरस जो है वो फास्ट म्यूटेट कर जाते हैं, इसलिए उनकी वैक्सीन मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ओके, सो बोथ स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर ट्रू. ओके, question number 157, given below two statements, again statement based question. Okay, let us see what are the statements. Ligaments are dense irregular tissue. Nahi, they are not a dense irregular tissue. Whereas cartilage is dense irregular tissue. Nahi, cartilage is dense irregular tissue. Okay, so answer is option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. दोनों भी false है. This is from structure organization annual जो कि आपके syllabus से वापस से delete हो चुका है. Question number 158, given below are two statements. Again assertion and reason question. Assertion क्या है? Let us see what is assertion. Nephrons are of two types. Yes, they are of two types, cortical and juxtamedullary, based on their relative position in cortex and medulla. Okay, and now reason. Juxtamedullary nephrons have short loop of Henle. बिल्कुल नहीं, they have longer loop of Henle. Whereas cortical nephrons have longer loop of Henle. नहीं, cortical nephrons जो है वो सिर्फ cortex में होंगे loop of Henle. Juxtamedullary nephrons तो medulla तक जाएंगे loop of Henle, है ना. So juxtamedullary nephrons जो है they have longer loop of Henle होना चाहिए, इसलिए reason जो है वो false है, whereas assertion जो है वो true है. So option second. Okay, question number 159, which of the following is not a cloning vector? Okay, so it is probe. Yeast artificial chromosome है, bacterial artificial chromosome है, PBR 322, ये तीनों भी cloning vector है, whereas probe is not a cloning vector. Okay, question number 160, given below two statements, statement 1 and 2. Okay, उनमें से again correct and false वो देखना है. Okay, so statement 1 क्या है? A protein is imagined as a line. The left end represents by first amino acid, that is C terminal. नहीं, amino acid is not the C terminal, it is N terminal. So गलत हो गया, statement 1 तो गलत हो गया. Right end represents by last amino acid. Last amino acid जो है वो C terminal, वहां पे जो है कार्बोक्सिल एंड होता है, इसलिए सी टर्मिनल. सो गलत हो गया. ओके, स्टेटमेंट 2, अडल्ट ह्यूमन हीमोग्लोबिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 सब यूनिट, 2 सब यूनिट्स ऑफ अल्फा, 2 सब यूनिट्स ऑफ बीटा. ये स्टेटमेंट 2 करेक्ट है. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज फॉल्स बट स्टेटमेंट 2 इज ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 161, व्हिच ऑफ द once the undigested and unabsorbed substance enters the cecum, their backflow is prevented by. कौन प्रिवेंट करेगा? कौन सा वाल्व है? इलियोसिकल वाल्व. इट इज फ्रॉम चैप्टर डाइजेशन जो कि वापस से डिलीट हो चुका है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 162, अगेन मैच द पेयर. So this is from reproductive health. Let us match it. Vasectomy is surgical method of prevention of conception. Okay. Now coitus interruptus, what is? It is a natural method. Cervical caps क्या है? It is barrier method. Whereas Saheli is oral method, है ना? Oral tablets लिए जाते हैं. Okay. Oral contraceptive pills. So this is again from chapter reproductive health. So answer is option A. Question number 163, which of the following function is carried out by cytoskeleton? Cell unit of life से question है, direct NCERT का question है. Okay. Which of the functions carried out by cytoskeleton in cell? It is carried out by मतलब कौन सा फंक्शन करेगा? मोटिलिटी ये फंक्शन करेगा. कौन? साइटोस्केलेटन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 164, which one of the following common sexually transmitted disease is completely curable when detected early and treated properly? So कौन सा है वो disease? that is gonorrhea can be treated completely अगर early stages में denote हो गया तो. ठीक है. Question 165, vital capacity of lungs is IRV plus ERV plus TV, inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume. डायरेक्ट एनसीईआरटी में है. Okay, so just NCERT को perfect करो. Question number 166, which of the following are not considered as a part of endomembranous system? देखो endomembranous system में there were few structures, whereas which of the following are not a part of endomembranous system? Your mitochondria, chloroplast, these two are not the part of and along with peroxisome they are not the part of endomembranous system. Okay, so answer is option A. Question number 167, match list 1 with list 2. Okay, so these are again some of the hormones that are produced. Okay, so CCK, where is CCK produced? It is produced at pancreas. GIP कहाँ पे produce हो रहा है? gastric glands पे. Atrial natriuretic factor, heart. Antidiuretic hormone, kidney. Okay, so answer is option last. Chemical control and coordination से question है ये. Question number 168, match list with list 2. Okay, देखो PIPOZA, PIPOZYA. Okay, हम लोगों ने देखा था. Where is this from? This is from lacoperon. Okay, lacoperon से question है. Okay, so lacoperon is again an important part. So let us see ये enzymes जो है ना, ये बहुत important question है. ठीक है, बहुत से बार पूछा गया आज तक. So what does A do? Okay, A is responsible for transcystylase. Y is responsible for lac permease. I is responsible for repressive protein. I is repressive protein. And Z is responsible for beta galactosidase. Okay, Z, Y, A, these produce enzymes. Whereas ये जो है I, it acts as the regulator gene. Okay, so उसके बाद answer is option A. This is from molecular basis of inheritance. Question number 169, match list 1 with list with respect to human eye. ठीक है, eye से related है जो कि अब delete हो चुका है, but even then let us see the question. Fovea, what is fovea? It is point of greatest visual acuity or resolution. Okay, fovea is point of greatest visual acuity or resolution. Now what is iris? It is point where optic nerve, sorry, what is iris? It is visible colored portion of the eye that regulates diameter of the pupil. What is blind spot? It is your point where optic nerve leaves the eyeball and photoreceptor cells are completely absent. What is sclera? It is external layer of eye formed by dense connective tissue. ठीक है, इसलिए bluish color appearance आ जाएगी उसकी. ठीक है, so answer is option last. Question number 170. Select the correct group set of Australian marsupials exhibiting adaptive radiation. So कौन कौन दिखा रहा था? Numbat था, spotted cuscus था, flying phalangier था. So answer is option A. This is from chapter evolution. Question number 171. Given below two statements. Again statement 1, statement 2. So which one is true, which one is false? Let us see that. What is statement 1? Vas deferens receives a duct from seminal vesicle and opens into the urethra as ejaculatory duct. बिल्कुल सही है. Statement 2. The cavity of the cervix is called as cervical canal, which along with vagina it forms a birth canal. ये भी direct NCERT के statement है, दोनों भी correct है. So answer is option last. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 172. Again match the pairs. Okay, so this is from human health and disease. So let's see what is the answer. Heroin interfere with the transport of dopamine. Marijuana effect on cardiovascular system. Cocaine, अरे सॉरी थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया. सो हीरोइन जो है इट स्लोज डाउन बॉडी फंक्शन. marijuana effect on cardiovascular system. Cocaine interfere with transport of dopamine and morphine is responsible for painkiller. है ना, morphine जो है वो surgeries में use किया जाता है. It acts as a painkiller. So answer is option last. Okay, so this was the question from human health and disease. Okay, again an important one. Question number 173. Okay, again match the pair. भाई कितने match the pair डाले हैं ना. So first one, ringworm is caused by trichophyton. Filariasis is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax. Pneumonia is caused by Haemophilus influenzae. These are the causative agents of these certain diseases. Okay, so answer is option last. Question number 174. Given below again two statement, assertion and reason question. ठीक है. Now let's see assertion. Amniocentesis for sex determination is one of the strategies of reproductive and child care program. Amniocentesis for sex determination. Do we do this? No, it is completely banned. It is illegal. Sex determination is illegal using amniocentesis. So assertion by false हो गया. So assertion false का कोई option है? Option C है. So answer is option C. Reason, ban on amniocentesis checks increasing menace of female foeticide. है ना? It is banned now. So option C is the answer. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Question number 175. Radial symmetry is not found in adults of which phylum? Adults पूछा गया है. देखो adults of Hemichordata. Okay. Question number 176. Given below two statements, statement 1 and 2. Okay. देखो let us see. Statement 1. Low temperature preserves the enzyme in temporarily inactive state. हाँ, whereas high temperature जो है वो destroy करेगा because of proteins are denatured by heat. इसलिए a specific range of temperature and pH is required. Okay, that is known as optimum temperature and optimum pH. Statement 2. When the inhibitor closely resembles a substrate in the molecular structure and inhibits the activity of enzyme, it is known as competitive inhibitors. है ना, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने सक्सिनेट एंड मैलोनेट सक्सिनिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज का एग्जांपल देखा था ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में, है ना. सो सेम this is its mechanism. Okay, so answer is option D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and this is the question from biomolecules. Question number 177. Match the list 1 with list 2 again. Okay, so let us see. This is from chapter excretion. ठीक है, उसके जो excretory system है उससे related है. Now Actinia, it has flame cells. Paramecium, it has contractile vacuole. Periplaneta americana, it has uricose gland, whereas Pheretima, it has nephridia. Okay, so answer is option second. Question number 178. Which of the following statements are correct regarding female reproductive cycle? Okay, so correct कौन से हम लोग ने वो देखना है. So first one, in non-primates mammals, cyclic changes during reproductive are called as easter cycle. है ना, non-primates में हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Easter cycle बोलेंगे. Okay, उसके बाद first menstrual cycle begins at puberty and is called as menopause. नहीं, it is not known as menopause. Menopause is the end ना. So menarche बोलेंगे start को. It is menarche. So option B, statement B जो है वो नहीं आएगा. C, lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. Yes. Okay, NCERT की लाइन है. Option statement D, cyclic menstruation extends between menarche and menopause. है ना, menarche and menopause के बीच में जो phase होता है that is known as menstrual phase, and वहाँ पे cyclically every month there is menstruation. Okay, so answer is option C. Question number 179. Given below two statements, again statement 1, statement 2, उसमें से कौन सा correct है कौन सा गलत है वो देखना है हमको. Okay, statement 1. Electrostatic precipitator is most widely used in thermal power plant. Yes, it is most widely used in thermal power plant. Statement 2. Electrostatic precipitator in thermal power plant removes ionizing radiations. नहीं, they are not used for removing ionizing radiations. Okay, so answer is option second. Question number 180. Match list with list 2. Okay, this is again from digestion chapter. So let us see. Peptic cells, they are responsible for proenzyme pepsinogen. Goblet cells, they secrete mucus. Oxyntic cells, as we know, they secrete HCl and intensive factor for absorption of vitamin B12. Whereas hepatic cells, they are responsible for the bile juice. Hepatic मतलब क्या? liver क्या secrete करता है? bile. So bile juice. Okay, the answer is option second. देखो यहाँ पे जो चार ऑप्शन दिए ना, अगर आपको हिपैटिक सेल, हिपैटिक मतलब लीवर, लीवर क्या सीक्रेट करता है, बाइल, अगर डी को 2 भी मालूम है तो तुम पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो। देखो डी को 2 सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन में, आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2। सो मैच द पेयर में दिस इज वेरी हेल्पफुल, यू कैन यूज दिस ट्रिक। ओके, अगर एक भी जो चीज आपको मालूम हो उससे यू कैन गेट योर आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 181 अगेन असर्शन रीजन क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज असर्शन? लेट अस रीड दैट assertion. Endometrium is necessary for the implantation of blastocyst. Yes, endometrium is necessary. Reason: in the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates, that causes disintegration of the endometrium. देखो स्टेटमेंट भी करेक्ट, असर्शन भी करेक्ट है, रीजन भी करेक्ट है, लेकिन इम्प्लांटेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं है ना। सो दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन, बट बोथ आर ट्रू। ओके, बोथ आर ट्रू, बट इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर assertion. Question number 182, match list 1 with list 2. This is again with locomotion and movement. Okay, types of joint पूछा है, nothing hard. So fine. So cartilaginous joint कहाँ पे होगा? Where is cartilaginous joint present? It is present between adjacent vertebrae and vertebral column. Okay, intervertebral disc. Okay, so it is cartilaginous joint. Then ball and socket joint between humerus and pectoral girdle. Fibrous joint is present between flat skull bones, है ना? And saddle joint is present between carpal and metacarpal of thumb. Okay, so this was easy. So answer is option A. It is from locomotion movement. Question number 183. देखो this is the basicest question. Okay, सबसे basic consanguineous marriage. What is consanguineous marriage? Mating between the relatives is known as consanguineous mating. And उसका कैसे represent करेंगे? It is represented by option A. Question number 184. Which of the following technique does not serve the purpose of early diagnosis of disease for its early treatment? देखो ये हम PCR यूज करेंगे, LSA यूज करेंगे, RDNA टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करेंगे, लेकिन सीरम एनालिसिस does not serve as a purpose of early diagnosis for a disease. Okay. Question number 185. Match list 1 with list 2. Okay. So this is again a question from organism and population. Okay. So let us see. A leopard and a lion in a forest grassland. What do they represent? They represent the competition. A cuckoo laying egg in crow's nest, it represents brood parasitism. देखो ये सारे एग्जांपल्स में डायरेक्टली एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड है, ठीक है। फंगाई एंड रूट ऑफ हायर प्लांट्स माइकोराइजिंग, म्यूचुअलिज्म है उनमें। कैटल अ गट एंड अ कैटल इन अ फील्ड, दे शो कमेंसलिज्म, ठीक है। सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन लास्ट। सेक्शन बी, given below two statements, statement 1, statement 2, let us see which is correct, which is incorrect. During G0 phase of the cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. Cell inactive होता है क्या metabolically? नहीं, cell is metabolically active, बस reproduce नहीं करेगा. Statement 2, centrosome undergoes duplication during S phase of interphase. Yes, it undergoes duplication. क्या? Centrosome. So statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. कहाँ है? Option C. Okay. So this is the question from cell cycle. देखो cell cycle से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए पिछले साल. Okay, so cell cycle has got a very big weightage. Question number 187. Again match the pair. Let us match it. Logistic growth क्या है? What is logistic growth? It is limited. जब limited resource availability condition होती है तब logistic growth होता है. Exponential growth कब होगा फिर? Unlimited resource होंगे तो. What is expanding age pyramid? It is the percent individuals of pre-reproductive age is largest, followed by reproductive and post-reproductive age groups. वैसे stable क्या होता है? जहाँ पे percent individuals of pre-reproductive, post-reproductive age are same. Same जब आएगा तो stable होगा, okay? लेकिन जब large होगा, कौन? Pre-reproductive age is large, followed by reproductive and post-reproductive age, it is expanding, okay? So answer will be option last. Question number 188. In cockroach, excretion is brought about by. cockroach में excretion किन किन चीजों से होगा? यूरिकोज ग्लैंड, नेफ्रोसाइट्स एंड फैट बॉडी. देखो ये तीनों भी जो शब्द है ना, ये डायरेक्टली तुम्हारा एनसीईआरटी में है. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन सेकंड. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 189. सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, अब कौन कौन से स्टेटमेंट्स जो है करेक्ट है, लेट अस सी दैट. Tetrad formation is seen during leptotin. नहीं, it is not seen during leptotin. During anaphase, the centromeres split and chromatids separate. Yes, they split and chromatids separate. उसके बाद terminalization takes place during patchotin. नहीं, patchotin के वक्त नहीं होगा terminalization. Nucleolus, Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum are formed during telophase. Yes, last phase पे तैयार हो जाते हैं ना, they are formed. So D is also correct. And finally, crossing over takes place between sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. नहीं, non-sister chromatids of होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम. सो ई गलत है, सी गलत है, ए गलत है. आंसर करेक्ट कौन कौन से? बी एंड डी करेक्ट है. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 190. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ थायराइड हार्मोन? थायराइड हार्मोन के अंडर कौन कौन से नहीं है? ओके, नॉट पूछा गया है, ठीक है. सो मेंटेनेंस ऑफ वाटर एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस, इज इट अंडर थायराइड हार्मोन कंट्रोल? यस, इट इज अंडर थायराइड हार्मोन कंट्रोल. रेगुलेशन ऑफ बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट, यस, इट इज अंडर थायराइड हार्मोन कंट्रोल. नॉर्मल रिदम ऑफ स्लीप वेक साइकिल, मेलाटोनिन कर रहा है, सो दिस इज नॉट अंडर कंट्रोल. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम, नो, दिस इज नॉट अगेन इम्यून कंट्रोल. sorry, this is not under thyroid hormone. Okay, support the process of RBC formation, nahi. Okay, it is by erythropoietin secreted by your kidney cells. Okay, so answer is option second, C and D only is under, these are not under the control of thyroid hormone. Okay, which of the following characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? Okay, कौन सा characteristic feature है? So presence of anal styles is the differentiates it in sexual dimorphism. मतलब male में anal styles present होता है, whereas it is absent in female. So it helps us differentiate between male and female cockroach, and that process, that phenomenon is known as sexual dimorphism. मतलब male and female को हम लोग differentiate कैसे करेंगे? Okay, so it is based on anal style जो कि present होता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ males में. Okay, next 192, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, again statement based question. Let us see कौन कौन से correct है. Basophils are most abundant, nahi, they are the least. Okay, basophils secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin, yes they secrete. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response, yes they are involved in inflammatory response. Basophils have kidney shaped nucleus, nahi, they don't have kidney shaped nucleus. Basophils are agranulocytes, nahi, unme granules hote hain, so they are granulocytes. So correct answer is option second. Question number 193, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, so let us see which of the following statements are correct. An excessive loss of body fluid from the body switches off osmoreceptors, nahi, it switches on osmoreceptors. Okay, antidiuretic hormone facilitates water reabsorption to prevent diuresis, yes, bilkul. Atrial natriuretic factor causes vasodilation, yes it causes vasodilation. ADH causes increase in blood pressure, yes it causes increase in blood pressure. ADH is responsible for decrease in GFR, nahi, it increases GFR. Okay, so statement B, C, D are correct, so answer is option A. Question number 194, again match the pair, let us match it. Mast cells, areola connective tissue, inner surface of bronchiole, it has ciliated epithelium. Blood जो है, it is specialized connective tissue, vestibular parts of nephron, उनमें कौन सा epithelium है? Cuboidal epithelium. So answer is option second. Question number 195, select the correct statement with reference to chordates. Okay, chordates के reference में कौन से correct statements है? So presence of mid dorsal solid and double nerve cord, nahi, it is not a statement for chordate. Okay, उसके बाद presence of closed circulatory system, yes chordates have closed circulatory system. Presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits, yes chordates have paired pharyngeal gill slits. Presence of dorsal heart, nahi, chordates have ventral heart. Triploblastic pseudocoelomate animals, no, this is also incorrect. So answer is option A, only B and C statement are correct. Okay, again question number 196, the unique mammalian characteristics are presence of hair, pinna and mammary glands, so option A. Question number 197, parts of human brain that help in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. they are limbic system. देखो जो भी इमोशनल ब्रेन हम लोग बोलते हैं लिम्बिक सिस्टम को, so जो भी इमोशंस है वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? लिम्बिक सिस्टम से आ रहे हैं, एंड along with it what is responsible? It is your hypothalamus, so option D. 198, which of the following sequence on corresponding coding strand if the sequence on mRNA form is this? Okay, so आप लोग देखो क्या है, which of the following is the sequence on corresponding coding strand? अगर mRNA फॉर्म जो है वो ऐसा है, देखो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, U की जगह हम लोग क्या लिख रहे हैं? T लिख रहे हैं. देखो RNA में क्या होता है, थाइमिन की जगह यूरासिल आ जाता है, ठीक है, ये mRNA का स्ट्रैंड है. ओके, एंड इसके ऊपर जो है वो कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड होगा जिससे ये बना है, ठीक है. सो उधर ऊपर क्या होगा, जहां पे T है उसकी जगह क्या आएगा? U. सो बाकी पूरा सीक्वेंस सेम होगा, बस U की जगह हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? T. ओके, सो दैट इज इन आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी. ओके, बेसिक है, इजी था, बस आपको जो फेनोमेना या फिर जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है वो मालूम होनी चाहिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 199, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग स्केलेटल मसल? ओके, स्केलेटल मसल से कौन कौन से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स है? मसल बंडल्स आर हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय कोलाजेनस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू लेयर कॉल्ड एज fascicle. नो. Sarcoplasmic reticulum muscle fiber is storehouse of calcium ions. Yes, it is storehouse of calcium ions. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum को हम लोग ने क्या बोला था? Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Striated appearance of skeletal muscle fiber is due to distribution pattern of actin and myosin proteins, है ना, एक actin एक myosin होता है, इसलिए it looks as striated appearance. M line is considered as functional unit of contraction called as sarcomere. नहीं, it is not M line, it is Z line. Okay. So answer is option A. B and C statements are correct. Last question, question number 200. Which one of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? Okay, advantage नहीं है, क्या है? देखो, it exposes harmful excessive genes but are eliminated by selection. It is true, it is an advantage. Elimination of less desirable gene and accumulation of superior gene. It is also helpful. It decreases the productivity. देखो हम लोग decrease productivity करने के लिए थोड़ी inbreeding करेंगे, नहीं. So this is not an advantage. It decreases homozygosity, है ना, homozygosity अपने को decrease ही करनी है. So it is again an advantage. So answer is option C. So it's question from principles of inheritance variation. Okay. Plus your strategy for enhancement in food production. Okay. उसके बाद देखो हम लोगों ने एनालाइज किया इस पूरे पेपर को एंड वी केम टू द कंक्लूजन कि भाई कौन से चैप्टर से कितने क्वेश्चन आए थे। लिविंग वर्ल्ड से एक आध क्वेश्चन था, बायो क्लासिफिकेशन 2 थे, प्लांट किंगडम से 3 थे, एनिमल किंगडम से 3 थे, मॉर्फो से देखो 4 क्वेश्चन थे, मॉर्फो से, एनाटॉमी से 3 थे, स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एनिमल से 4 क्वेश्चन बने थे, सेल ऑफ लाइफ से 3, बायोमोलिक्यूल से 4। सबसे हाईएस्ट जो हम लोगों ने देखा 11 के चैप्टर्स में सेल साइकिल में 8 क्वेश्चन थे सेल साइकिल से। ओके, सो दैट इज अगेन अ वेरी बिग थिंग दैट यू नीड टू नोट डाउन। फोटोसिंथेसिस से 2 थे, रेस्पिरेशन से 4 थे, प्लांट ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट से 3 थे, ट्रांसपोर्ट से 1 था, मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन से 2 थे, एंड फिर बाकी का जो था लाइक ब्रीदिंग से 3 थे, बॉडी फ्लूइड सर्कुलेशन से 3 थे, एक्सक्रीटेड प्रोडक्ट्स से 3 थे, लोकोमोशन से 2 थे, न्यूरो कंट्रोल कोऑर्डिनेशन से 2, केमिकल कंट्रोल इंटीग्रेशन से 2 एंड डाइजेशन से भी एक क्वेश्चन था। ओके, सो बट यहाँ पे जो नोट डाउन करने वाली बात है कि भाई अपना जो सेल साइकिल एंड सेल डिवीजन था वहां से बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आए थे। सो सेल साइकिल अगर कोई छोड़ने की बात कर रहा है बिल्कुल भी मत छोड़ो, बिकॉज इट हैज गॉट हाई वेटेज। उसके बाद 12 के चैप्टर्स में सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स 3, ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन 3, रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ 3। जब बात जेनेटिक्स की आती है, मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था कि भाई ये भले ही टफ हो लेकिन हाई वेटेज भी है, सो कर लो। प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस वेरिएशन पे 6 क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस पे 9 क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, इवोल्यूशन पे 4। सो दिस हैज गॉट द हाईएस्ट वेटेज। ठीक है, सो जेनेटिक्स इज अगेन हाई वेटेज चैप्टर, कर लो। ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिसीज पे 2, माइक्रोब्स एंड वेलफेयर पे 1, बायोटेक दोनों मिला के 5 क्वेश्चन थे, ऑर्गेनिज्म पॉपुलेशन पे 3, इकोसिस्टम पे 2, बायोडाइवर्सिटी पे 2,